Guys, welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you are new. My name is Annie. So two random facts about me. One, I absolutely love DIY projects, crafting. I love doing it on a budget. I customize everything I own, literally. Two, my mom is my very best friend, and I also customize all of her home decor, all of her stuff, because she loves that. So I spent Valentine's weekend with her, and she wanted me to make a frame for one of the little setups that I've done for her, which I'll show you. Real fast, I just want to show you a few other things that I have made for her. I've done like a ton of different DIY stuff. This is nowhere near what I've done, so please just comment down below if you like this kind of video, because by all means, I love making them. And so I would gladly do that, so leave me some feedback. But anyways, let's get this adventure started. Here's an example of one of her customized setups. I painted the love picture for her. I refurbished a wine bottle and turned it into a vase, and then I also decorated the fishbowl. Here's a close-up of a wine bottle that I cleaned out and refurbished, glittered with a custom blue glitter that I made, bedazzled it, and then turned it into a vase. This started as a clear vase that I glittered and bedazzled and added some flowers, and actually everything came from the Dollar Tree. Here's one of my favorite pieces that I made for her last Christmas, simply by using a wine bottle, glittering it, and then adding the bedazzles, the antlers, and the berries. Here's a wine bottle that I refurbished simply by spray painting it gold and then adding a pink glittery ribbon with a little bedazzle in the center. These are some purple ornaments that I glittered for the local domestic violence shelter, and I ended up making a few for my mom as well. And then actually for this Christmas, we are going to decorate her entire tree with custom pieces. Here's a cross that I glittered with a customized glitter that I made with purples and golds. So here are some pieces that I have made for my mom. I glittered this birdhouse for her right up here by doing a custom glitter in her favorite color, purple. And right here we have this frame that I made for her that says, "My first love, my best friend, my rock, my mommy." Then right down here we have another frame, and basically I wrote a quote that I dedicated to her. And it's, "Not only did you give me life, but you also helped me rediscover it when I lost my way." That's the true definition of a mother's love. And so now she wants another frame to pop right down here where she's going to put a picture of us. So let the adventure begin. Okay, so I found this frame from Dollar Tree. They have a bunch of really cute frames. Also, these cute little nails I've had on for a few days, and they came from Dollar Tree. Just saying. And these are the paints that we're going to use. Okay, so both of these paints are from Folk Art, which is one of my absolute favorite brands to use. This one is in the color Amethyst, and this is a really chunky glitter, and it is in the color Princess. So that's what we'll be using. Okay, so I am using a sponge paintbrush to put on the first layer. I will put on 2 layers just to make it fully opaque, and so I'm just kind of blotting this on really lightly so it can dry pretty quickly, and then we can make it more opaque in a little bit. You can also get these brushes from the Dollar Tree as well, and I highly recommend them. And right now I am merely just getting the sides of the frame. That is typically easier. You can get that kind of in one step. If you do have to go back over it, it's not very much at all, but we are catching the side of it and then continuing on. So this is what it looks like once it's dry after the first coat. You could leave it like this for a more abstract look if you wanted. I found these at the Dollar Tree also. They were in packs of like maybe 5 or 6 or something. And I thought they were super cute. So I am also going to make this for mom today. And for this, we will also be using Folk Art paint in color Amethyst and Platinum. So while we are letting the paint dry on the frame,
I am currently painting the love with the platinum silver color. I'm using just a small little paintbrush. You can also get things like this at the Dollar Tree. And then I'm going to let that dry, get back to the frame, and then come back to the heart. Okay, and we also put a second coat on it. So this is what it looks like now. And now we are going to go in with this beautiful glitter right here. Look how pretty and shiny this is. So now I am putting on the chunky glitter. I'm using the same sponge brush that I did previously, just because if it does get any purple paint on there, it's the exact same color, so that won't matter. But yeah, so we are doing this, and then we shall see the finished product once it dries. Okay, so it is drying, but it turned out quite beautiful, if I do say so myself. And Mom is a fan. Okay, so we added the silver to the love, and then we used that same amethyst color and added that to the heart. And now we're gonna do some glitter for a final touch. So my mom has always thought that it's crazy how I find so many good deals at the Dollar Tree. She's an in and out kind of shopper, so I took her to actually go down each and every aisle and discover what they had and enjoy this next clip. Finally taught Mom how to spend $60 at the Dollar Tree quite easily.